Okay, now given that this is what we have, and we want to know the years, the 1949, that first year when the company Lengo assets open, what product was it selling? Okay, so to ensure that it is, we are going to use list within a list, and this list, it is list for sets, and the set themselves and following a particular year. So the year will be specific, but the set will be will be based on list of that year. So let's do it practically. So you can use sets list like that. We do listing in a pattern like that, and then we say list within a list. Yeah, we just say another list here, and now we say sets, sorry, sets. Then we want to give a year, and the year is given like that. Sorry. Year, and this year is not other than 1949. Yeah, so here is strictly 1949. Strictly. So it's a Python double equal sign, meaning exact that, and if there is not that, give an error, as opposed to JavaScript whereby we give 3 equal sign. So in Python, just give 2. Okay. So let's say shift enter. And you see, yeah, this here